Good morning. I am Dr. Narmada with 25 years of experience in teaching and research. I am working presently as principal, Sridevi Women's Engineering College, MSET code SDEW. Sridevi Women's Engineering College is established in the year of 2001 with 23 years of academic excellence. The college is UGC autonomous, NAC A++ accredited, and we are proud to announce that this is the college which is the first women's engineering college to receive NAC A++ with 3.61 out of 4 grade points. The college strength is 3000 plus students and it is situated in Gachibowli IT corridor and beside Wipro Vattinagulapalli campus. We have well experienced teaching faculty, well qualified and experienced teaching faculty. We are maintaining 1:15 student to faculty ratio and 1:15 mentoring ratio. For every 15 students, we allocate one mentor in order to have all-round development of the students. Our teaching learning activity is so strong. Our students are excelling in academics and our students secured gold medals in 3 consecutive years by JNTUH. This is a record in Telangana. And the institute has state-of-the-art infrastructure with well-established laboratories spread over 25 acres. The institute has 4 blocks, A, B, C and D. A block is dedicated for CSC, AML, data science and ECE. B block is dedicated exclusively for first years. It is ragging-free campus. C block is for IT department and D block is for PG. And we have auditorium, centralized auditorium, central library with huge collection of books and journals. We offer various courses in BTech, MTech and MBA. In BTech, we offer CSC with AML specialization, CSC with data science specialization, IT, ECE, and in MTech, we offer computer science engineering CSC, VLSI and MBA programs. We have good placements since last 20 years inception of this college. Our placements are very high due to our exclusive training activity that our industry partners conduct by coming to our institute as part of industry institute interaction. In 24, our students secured 580 plus offers with 13 lakhs highest package and 6.5 lakhs average package per annum. In 23, our students secured 822 offers with 23 lakhs highest package and 6 lakhs average package per annum. This is all possible due to our industry-oriented curriculum. Because we are UGC autonomous, the curriculum is approved by JNTUH according to National Educational Policy 2020. In first year, we train our students in communication skills, logical skills, and we even give certified programs from British Education Council. In second year, we give training training in coding in C, Python, Java. In third year, we give training in company-specified skill set in order to make our students industry ready. We have established industry-supported labs in collaboration with Cisco, Oracle. We have even established a Center of Excellence in collaboration with Tech Mahindra, Virtusa and Java Full Stack. And we are offering free certified courses from Cisco, Infosys, Springboard in order to make our students industry ready. We have even campus hostel with 1000 students capacity, Wi-Fi enabled campus, 24/7 medical facility. And our transport system runs buses from every corner of the city. In order to have overall development of the student, all-round development of the student, we do conduct various extra and co-curricular activities in the campus like technical, cultural fest, Vidyut, sports fest, and we have even professional bodies for every department like CSI, Computer Science India, IEEE, IETE, ISTE, through which our students will be participating in hackathons, project expos, seminars, and all the activities. And we have best faculty, and if we want BTech certificate with quality, this is the best option of the for the students. And we have teaching learning, good teaching learning, and we have good placements. College is situated in the center of the city, and we have campus hostel. These are the strengths of the college. We welcome you all to visit our campus and consider this college as best option. Thank you.